Recording has been started right now. Okay, we must have a topic or something else that we're gonna do, and to enhance our vocab, to enhance some idioms or so many sentences, the way of English speaking terms. We must know more about these things. Okay, it's not it's
Yes.
not it's not enough to introduce ourselves. We have to elaborate more about things. So, do you have any topic to discuss more about it? And because that will enhance our more vocabulary and our ability will be gained.
Yes, I'm very curious about discussion this conversation related to how to enhance your vocabulary and your speech. These all things.
Okay. Let me hear. Let me hear from you first. Okay. Will you please go for it first? Then I will be there with you after you.
Okay.
How
First,
to some vocabulary?
I'm
Yeah.
going to tell you my views that how anyone can enhance vocabulary and also be fluent in spoken.
Yeah.
For vocab, what have to do? Learn any vocab morning
Mhm.
and revise whole days. Means that only in your mind, and also try to use that vocab in your practice, and try
Okay.
to find synonyms, antonyms, these all, and make
Yeah.
sentences. This type, that vocab will be uh, stable in your mind.
Yeah.
And if you are
And I
discussing
think
with anybody, that's much better.
and watching movies, looking at the subtitles, watching movies is really helpful to enhance our vocabulary or not? What do you think about it?
Yes, yes. Of course, this is very important, and by listening speech on YouTube and listen, not listen, watch any things with subtitles, English subtitles. That
Yeah.
can also enhance our vocabs.
Yeah. And do you know such English trainers who all are certified in English speaking and English teaching? They always they always tell to the student that you need to study the newspaper every day as much as you can, because reading newspaper is very valuable for our enhancing vocabulary, and we can find out different kind of idioms and sentences from the articles. Is this really helpful or getting and or get confused, and there are lots of difficulties will be there, I think, to enhance our vocabulary to read the newspaper?
Yes, yes, if you are reading newspaper day by day, then you will find new words.
Yeah.
And in newspaper is such a things where you can find the word which is related all surroundings.
Yeah. Okay.
And there
And
is also few terms and also idiom phrases.
yeah. Do you know what is idiom? Because I don't know much more about it, because I can speak English much more confident, but I don't know much more about grammatical rules. That what is idiom actually? I don't know about it, because what I'm speaking,
Yes,
I'm just
so
speaking by listening to
to tell
others.
that
Yeah.
many people says that there is no importance of rule and grammar in spoken. Only 10% grammar is important in
Yeah.
spoken. If you are doing more practice, then you can speak fluent, and also you will follow that rules. But you don't know, but
Yeah.
you are following that rules. And
Yeah.
idiom and phrases is the it's a kind of a figure of speech which makes your speech next level.
Yeah.
And word is something different and meaning is different. Such a there is a idiom, every cloud has a silver lining. Means it that after darkness must the light will come.
Yeah.
And also there is a idiom, throwing pearls before a swine. There is the meaning of this idioms is that if you are doing more activities, you are showing your knowledge. Illiterate person who don't know anything, that is useless.
Yes.
This is
Yes.
idiom. Word is different and meaning is different.
Yeah, idioms are more critical to use, and the
Yeah,
opposite person can't understand our language if we use much more idioms. Who does not understand much more English and don't who cannot speak fast English and good English, that person cannot understand our language if we use much more idioms. Am I right?
yes, yes. If you are not able to understand, you have not more knowledge about idioms, then you will only catch the meaning of that word, not opposite meaning that what idiom is saying.
Yeah,
And
I think.
one idiom also there is an
Okay,
apple God. Have you listened anytime this?
okay,
An apple of discord means is that become very dear for someone.
okay, okay. Okay, brother, what subject have you taken to teach the students in private school? You are a private teacher, and what subject have you taken?
As I told you that I have done a PG in English. That's why I'm teaching English to my
Okay,
students from class 6 to 8.
okay. 6 to 8. Oh, great, great. It's amazing. And do you teach only in English language, or you use Hindi language while teaching English?
No, the subject is English, but we teach in bilingual, and by the name of bilingual, mostly we use Hindi.
Okay, mostly you use Hindi. Um,
Yes,
okay, that is all about English medium background, right?
yes. The in which school I teach, that school is English medium, but students are not able to
Able
understand
to-
fully.
Okay, 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 okay. Yeah, the opposite person must understand our language. The way we speak, the more we confident speak, it's not worth it if we speak fast or if we speak confidently or fluency. If the opposite person can't understand, if the other opposite person can understand our language, then it will be fruitful to them and productive to them forever.
Yes.
Yeah,
If you are speaking very fast and also with more fluent, and if you are using accent, then also few people are unable to understand that.
yeah, absolutely. Yeah,
But
if you speak.
everyone try to learn accent and next level of pronunciation. As I'm also trying to learn it. That's why I'm on Skype.
Okay, okay, okay. Yeah, absolutely. Why not? Even I'm only for the one reason here because I want to level up my skill of my English speaking practice and to enhance my communication skill. That's why I'm just here because we can meet with people around the globe to the different people from different places.
Yes, and can you tell me that how long you are running on this platform on Skype?
Actually, it's been 2 weeks. I've been using this
What
application
is
because I had no idea about before. Yeah, it's
are
been
you
only two.
running a YouTube channel?
Yeah, I have a YouTube channel by the name of English with Rinath.
Okay,
Yeah,
and how you have improved your spoken because you are speaking better than me because you are using uh, good pronunciation and also accent.
actually, brother. Right now, what I'm doing right now, I'm just grading the bullocks in the grass field. As you can see here, okay. As far as I'm concerned, as far as my hard work is concerned, I'm good. I'm good enough in my work, in my physical hard work, even in my English journey because I listen podcast static speakers and native English speakers from my mobile phone throughout the day while grazing the bullocks in the grass field. And when I go back to my home, I just play the movie and I listen to it carefully. If I can't understand, I just look at the subtitles and just repeat that sentence after the native English speakers. This is how I'm just learning English as well as working hard than the hardest throughout the day.
Means that every day, whole days, you only focus on your how to improve your spoken.
Yeah, how to improve my spoken and how to speak in a polite way and in a calm way, because I'm a very humble person, because I don't want to be irritate more people and I want to harass others. I always want to support others, because this is actually called the universe life. So I want to be the best in somebody's heart. That's why I just want to talk with somebody else. That's why I was just asking you lots of questions, because you have to speak something else. It's not enough if I have to speak enough. Even I have to let you to speak something else, then we can learn together, we can speak together, we can grow together. Am I right?
Yes, yes, you are right.
Yeah, that's why.
And what is your future plan?
Actually, my future plan is, actually I couldn't get through my
But
examination in 12th standard. Yeah, I'm
yeah,
failed in 12th standard.
but you are speaking well.
Yeah, I'm failed in 12th standard, but I'm just working on my English, that I want to speak English like Native American, and to improve my communication skill while working harder than the hardest. I'm just staying at home and working as a farmer with my family members, because my mom and dads are farmers. I'm just helping them by doing so at home. And my future plan is to build my good commando on English grammar and even spoken English. And I want to teach, and more. I want to educate more and more people who all are from rural area and even tribal area.
Yes, yes. Your thinking is 100% right, and you have the power, ability, enthusiasm, curiosity to do something best for the people who are unable to get good education, and
Yeah,
you want to do guidance them.
yeah. And how long have you been doing your job as a teacher?
I'm teaching from 2 years. In
Uh,
uh, in uh, in this month on 11th July, I have completed 2 years.
okay, okay,
And I'm using Skype app from 1 month because of being a English teacher. It's my fully responsibility to speak in English well, and also I have to be a fluent speaker because
okay.
I'm a role model for all students.
Okay. It's very good. It's very good. Yeah. And how many students are there in your school?
There are 700 students,
Only 100 students. Okay. Okay.
not only 100. There are 700 students.
Oh, 700 students. Oh,
Yes,
okay. Okay. Is
that
that
is
private
situated
school?
in city. That is a private school. I'm private teacher.
Okay. Okay. I like very much to private teachers, because uh, they will teach the way of, in a very good responsibility. They will teach in the way of a student can understand very well to the teachers, because they are expert. They have excellency and great knowledge to distribute towards the students. So I like very much to private teachers. They demand money, but they will teach in the very good manner and way, and in a variety ways. Those ways are very very easy to make the students understand in a better way. So I like very much.
Yes, as a private teacher demand for more money, but they are unable to get more money in private school because every private school don't want to give handsome salary. They want only less salary to
Yeah.
their teacher, and
Students,
but
from the students.
they're doing more hard work.
Yeah, yeah,
They
there
always
is more.
give their 100%.
Yeah, I was saying. Okay, that's what I was saying. So I like very much to the private teachers. The more they will demand money, the more they will educate to the students.
Yes, yes.
Yeah, I know very well. But the government education system is exposed nowadays because I don't like it.
Uh, but in private, you have to pay more money.
Yeah,
But
in private more money,
in
but
government,
there is a
you
good
can
education system.
education in a few money.
Yeah, yeah,
That is
they will demand to the students
also one
too
more
much
thing
money,
that
but
in private, you will find more rule and regulation, discipline, but in government you can't find. You couldn't find it.
yeah, yeah. Some of the student can speak English or not, brother.
No, no. In every classes there are many students who can speak English well and also understand. But in them, 50% students are very big because they belong to local area. That's why they are unable to speak English and unable to understand English. Whenever we try to speak in English and also explain everything in English, they say that, "Sir, please tell us in Hindi."
Okay,
That's
okay, yeah, yeah. As our five fingers are not equal, like this, every persons are not equal to each other. So we must focus to some everybody, not somebody.
everyone
Okay, everybody.
individual differences.
Yeah, all the students are responsibility of a teacher, and we must focus to all of them, not some of them. Am I right?
Yes, yes, you are 100% right, no doubt. Undoubtedly,
Yeah.
undoubtedly you are right.
Okay, okay, brother. Yeah, you're quite different than me, and even you're a humble person. I think you look so calm and
And also, in my school, teacher said that be strict for students because uh, if you will be not more strict, they will not complete your homework and copy these all things. Whatever you will teach, they will not complete that. Sometimes I try to be more strict, but after 1 or 2 days, I became humble again.
okay,
It's
okay, okay, okay. Can you see our bullocks behind me?
yeah, I'm saying there are many.
Yeah, many bullocks.
Yes, yes.
I'm just looking after them because if we don't carry them, if we don't take the responsibility of bullocks, any pet animals, whatever we have fed at our home, then those pet animals go towards the another person's crop speed and eat the crops. So they
Yes,
will try to
it
scold
is
us.
happening.
Yeah, they will treat to us. So we have to be more careful while taking the responsibility of our pet
They are
animals.
also natural to you.
Yeah. Okay, I think today was of the class.
Yes, yes. Because of Sunday, it's school is off today, and I came in my village,
Okay,
and I
okay,
go in city after. I will go in city at evening time because
okay,
by tomorrow morning school will be open.
okay. How far is it from your village?
My village is 20 kilometer far from my city.
Oh,
Only
that's
40 minutes
situated in
by
city.
bike I can travel it.
Okay. How do you travel it? Do you travel by bike, bus,
Yes, yes.
train?
I have bike. By it I came in village and return in city
Okay. You are
because
doing very.
will
Mm,
go social means just like auto bus. They take more time and more money too.
yeah, absolutely. So, do you travel every day to take your class?
No, no. I came in my village uh, very minimum time I came here because
Okay,
if it's urgent then I came.
okay,
Not
okay,
regular.
okay.
I'm also an PhD aspirant. That's why I have joined a library and coaching for
Hmm.
me that I want to be a government teacher. I
Okay,
prepare I prepare myself for teaching
okay,
exam.
okay, okay. You seldom go to your village when you have urgent work at your village in your family members.
My
Then
village.
you often go, not frequently. You are going often.
Yes, yes. Often I came. Not often. Rarely I came.
Okay, okay. Oh. Yes, brother. Actually, doing a hard work that will gives us better result in a day. That will be output, and it will stand in front of us. On that moment, we feel very pleasure, and our pleasure moment will get us too much mindset, colorful, and that will be very good to us, and that must be spread to somebody else that you are just doing right now. You are just spreading your good amount of knowledge towards the student. This is how when I gain some kind of knowledge, even I will do like this. Even I
Yes, yes.
want to teach the
I'm
students.
doing hard work, but you are also doing more hard work.
Yeah, absolutely.
And we are connected to the real life, that what may be in real life. We
Yes,
handle
yes,
and we are the boys of village, and
yes.
we can survive in any situation.
Okay. Even you are from rural area?
Yes, yes. I'm from a rural area.
Great, great. Even you are doing great, and in the future generation and in the future, you can go ahead, and I wish you and adore to the God for you. May God succeed you in a day. If you work hard, harder than the hardest. If you teach very well, and if you gain a lots of skill, knowledge by teaching students, and you can revise every books, but you can attempt the examination of government.
Yes, yes. I take many exams uh, to be government teacher. Just I have gone before it in Bihar, and I attempted state exam, and also I have filled up PGT forms, and also waiting for the vacancies,
Okay.
because for money and passion both plus. There is passion, but in
Yeah.
private there is no money. And if you are in government sector, you will find.
Yeah, there is something. If we combine money, fashion, our hard work, then
Yes,
that can
yes.
combine and put out the result as we want. Am I right?
And result will be much better than today, because your
Yeah,
passion and money, both you are both are connected.
yeah.
You have
Then
passion, but there you are not finding money. You become demotivated, because money is also doing work just like a motivation.
yes, absolutely.
But
Yeah,
it's basic needs.
yeah. Uh, as the bike does not have any petrol, a little bit petrol inside, then the motorcycle can't roll away from it. Am I right? Like
Yeah.
like the bike, even our life can't go ahead without help of money. And even if we feel sick in malaria, then how can we get cured without help of money? If we have money, then we can get cured, and then we can do something else. If we
Yes,
don't
yes.
have money, we can't get it cured. We can't do it.
That's why I also focus on money.
Yeah, yeah.
If
Even
you
even
need to
even
purchase any,
as purpose.
to start any new thing, you have to need of money.
Absolutely, brother. And how many hours do you teach to the students?
I teach approx 6 hours, and I spend 8 hours in school, but I teach 6 hours. Before
Okay.
teaching,
It's
we have to reach 1 hour before in school at morning, and after
okay.
leaving schools by students, we stay there for 1 year, for 1 hour.
Okay. Yeah,
We
that's enough time. That's enough time for us.
and by standing, not sitting, man, sitting way.
Okay. Okay. The school staff will treat to each other that a teacher should not sit even on chair?
Yes. There is no
Okay.
chair in the class, and you have to not sit in the class. If sometimes you have need, just like you are feeling unwell, then you have to take permission to principal for sitting. That's the rule of
Okay.
private.
Oh, this is how the private school is going.
Yes, yes. Private school is going just like this. I'm telling you.
Okay. Oh my God. You are doing so hard, brother, because without sitting up to 6 and 7 hours, it's very difficult to us,
Yes,
too much
yes.
difficult.
First when I joined school for teaching, that time I always getting fever because of hard work. But now I became habitual for this. That's why no effect of by standing.
Okay, okay. Yeah, it will depend all about habitual. Okay, if we practice every day to stand up to 6 and 7 hours, then there is no any infection on our body, and we can't get hurt from standing position from anywhere anytime. Am I right?
Yes, yes.
Yeah.
And teaching is just such a field where we find more interest. I am more interested in teaching literature and language both,
Yeah.
because I know that students are just like friends, and we are very happy with the students.
Okay. Yeah,
And
absolutely, we have to be more faithful to the students. And being a teacher, we must remember all the question and answer and words of the book, or do we have to revise the lesson and go to the class and teach the students?
yes, yes. What happens if the chapter is new, and first time you are going to teach that chapter? Before teaching, you have to read that chapter. You have to
Okay.
write tough word meaning, and also you have to know what is the explanation of this chapter, and
Mm.
you will teach by taking your book.
Yeah.
It's not only you can use book.
Okay. Okay, without help of book, it's not good to us. Am I right?
Yes, yes. And also schools provide you books, all books, which subject you
Okay.
are teaching.
Okay. Okay, all books the school will provide to us.
Also, you can
So
write hard word on that book.
okay. Okay. Yeah, because I had a doubt. Okay, I had a doubt in my mind that teachers don't look up the book, whatever words and lessons there are inside the book. They don't even look at the book, and all of a sudden they enter in the class and teach to the students. How will be the experience of a teacher? What's the experience of a teacher? I was thinking about it, and I was getting confused more about to it.
Yes, yes. There is two things. First is that subject matter. If you are going
Okay.
to teach language, whether that is English language or Hindi language, then you
Okay.
can teach without books. There is
Okay.
no need of book to teach noun, pronoun, adjective, verb, tenses, and these all
Okay.
preposition. Without book, you can teach it. But you are going to teach literature. There, a book is necessary. Without
Uh,
book, you can't teach.
Absolutely.
In
Yeah.
literature, there is prose, poetry. That's why you
Yeah.
have to.
Yeah.
And
Students get
you are
confused. Students get
history,
confused.
then first if you are not using a book in history, that's okay. But you will have to use lastly,
Okay.
because you have to also know that what is the level of class 6, class 8, class 10.
Hmm. Okay. Absolutely. Actually, even I'm teaching to the students because I'm running with our institution. There are only two students who all are pursuing graduation. They are coming to me to learn spoken English as well as communication skill. They are coming to me. I'm just teaching to them. That's why I was just asking you that how to prepare and teach to the students in the class.
If you are teaching, matter is that if you are teaching English without books, then you are
Yeah,
a smart teacher.
yeah,
But you can take help of books.
yeah. I'm teaching the English language without book. But do you think if we take a book, then it will be very clarified to the students and very helpful to the students?
Yeah, sure, you can use. We also use in the class,
Yeah.
because if you are teaching, there must not be any doubt,
Okay.
and
Yeah.
books
Absolutely.
clear your doubt just at
Yeah.
once.
Yeah.
Uh,
Books always gives us
yeah,
clarification.
you can keep books, but you can teach orally. If there is a happening that you have to need of a open book, then you open and see that what is right and wrong, and again teach.
Okay. Absolutely. Yeah. And we will let the students to look at the book. See, this is how we will have to read. This is how we will have to elaborate it. We have to let them look at the book. Then they will be clarify. Oh, it's exactly what the teacher is teaching to us. Teaching to us. Am I right?
Yes, yes, you are right.
Yeah.
And
They have
it's
to be clarified
very,
more
very
about.
nice after listening you that you are teaching in your village, and there is a two student. That is not only two. That is many students, because starting is you have started, and if
Yeah.
you have
This is my past.
started, there will be more students
Okay.
on
After some
every week,
months.
every month, every year.
Yeah.
Also, your knowledge will be plus.
I just started this class. And yeah, in the beginning of the class I was feeling nervous because what will I teach, what will be the beginning stage to teach the students in the beginning, in to the beginners. I was thinking about, and it was a very, you know it was all about hesitation and nervousness was coming to in my
Yeah.
mind. Yeah.
But after teaching few days, you can teach. You haven't to think about it, what you have to teach, and how will you teach. You can handle everything.
Yeah, absolutely. No, right now it's been 5 days. Okay. With this day, with today, it will be 5 days. And I'm running with good day. And they are more impressive, and they are just learning in the way of I'm just teaching to them and making them in a very good way. They are telling me, no sir, we can understand very well. uh, in the last class they always tell me, don't feel nervous sir. They always support me. Don't feel nervous sir. We know this is your first class, don't worry. But you are teaching good, teaching to us good, but you are feeling a little bit nervous. Don't worry, this nervousness will be removed after some days. Don't worry sir. This is how they will treat me, and they will advise me. Yeah, students.
They are understanding your position, and also they can uh, they can think about your situation. That's why they are encouraging to you. And
Yeah.
I think that are very nice students.
Okay. Okay. And how many family members are there in your homes?
In my family, there are six members, including my parents and we are two sisters and two brothers. Total
Okay.
members are six.
Okay, sir. Okay. And could you please tell me one thing that there are lots of students and using smartphone and Chromebook, I mean laptops. So, uh, is this really helpful to the students uh, to learn something else, to take the education on online, or more better in offline? Which one do you think?
Everything, everything in this world has merit and demerit. If there
Okay.
is a goodness, there is some harmful responses also. Matter
Okay.
is that how students are using that in the guidance of parents. are only they are using by themselves. If
Okay.
they are using for study materials and also every CBSE board school is sending homework in the group, and also
Okay.
sometimes they send a question and answer. That's why students have to use. But
Yeah.
by the name of education, they are using it wrong way. They are playing
Absolutely.
games and using Instagram, Facebook. That's,
Yeah. Reels.
this this is very harmful because it is harmful for your mind. You can't concentrate your
Yes.
mind, and for eyes, and also
Yeah.
more wasting of time.
Yeah.
It's on them. It's fully dependent on them that how they are using it.
Yes. Yes. It will depend. Yeah. It will completely depend on the students in which way they are just using smartphone. I mean, electronic device. The way they will use, the way the electronic device get result.
Yes, yes, and no one thinks it's harmful in this world, but that become harmful when you are using that things wrong way.
Yeah. Wrong way. Yeah.
Yeah,
Otherwise, if we use
there are
it in a very
many
good way.
who are growing day by day by using electrical
Yeah.
things, just like cell phone, laptop. They are
Yes.
learning, they are enhancing their skills in
Yeah.
technology field, just like editing
Yeah.
and being a YouTuber.
Yeah. Yeah, there are lots of people working on YouTube nowadays and even other social media such as Facebook and Instagram. They are very good at some new things in every single day because they are utilizing it in a very good manner, in a very good way. That's why they are getting good result. Even if we can't do a job, then also we can do a job in Instagram, Facebook, and even YouTube channel. If we have
Yes,
some
yes,
skill, knowledge, it will all depend on our uses.
yes. Only we have to work on regular basis. We
Yeah,
haven't hopeless on YouTube, Facebook, Instagram. If you are working after, it may be that 1 year, 2 year, but you will sure succeed.
absolutely. If we work hard consistently with perseverance and consistent hard work.
Yes, consistency is the matter on
Yeah,
YouTube.
absolutely. Consistent is the matter on YouTube. Which video will get you much more ranks? We don't know, and even anybody don't know which video will get us the good result, good views, good followers. So we have to continue by uploading all short video or long video, it doesn't matter, but we have to upload at least a content a day. That will be good for us because who will get the chance and who will be success at any time anywhere, nobody knows about it. There is no any particular time, particular date of success.
We have to do only hard work. Don't think about result. If your hard work is running on right way, result must be the right.
The result must be in a day.
Yes, yes. Result must be productive, useful.
Yeah.
If you are
Yeah.
working day by day regularly,
That's what I'm saying. We have to keep uploading the videos on YouTube every day if we want to work on YouTube or any social media account, because that will get us good result in a day if we work continue on it. Otherwise,
yes,
if
yes.
we feel like will I get the result or not? Will I get the success or not on the social media? No, there are lots of people uh, not getting the success on YouTube. No, even I have to quit from it and I will start studying. No, I will often shop, then I will start selling the products. Even if our mind will go every fields, then that will not work for us and will not get us good result and bright future. So we don't have to move and take our mind towards every fields. Well, so we have to focus only one field, no matter how much excellency hard work we are doing, but at least we have to do something new good things in every single day. That will be good
Because,
for us
we
and
have to
get us
focus.
result. Yeah,
And can you tell me that how long are you running on your YouTube channel?
it's been 4 years, but there are no more subscribers. There are only 221 subscribers.
Uh, from 4 years.
Yeah, it's been 4 years.
I'm also running from 1 month, and I started last month, but I was never uploading any videos. And again, I woke up and I have decided that I will upload videos, 2 videos in a week or on regular basis, because there is a lack of time in my
Yeah,
manner.
there is a lot
I
of time
always
because you
try
are a
to
teacher.
upload. And on my channel only 89 subscribers in a month, but they will increase
Okay,
fast because I'm also uploading grammar video, word power video, as well as spoken conversation videos.
okay, okay. Even this video will be must be uploaded in your YouTube channel. Okay, you can upload this YouTube video.
No, you will upload.
Okay, okay,
Yes,
okay.
and I will
Okay.
I will make another video.
Yeah, okay, okay. We can have another video. Okay.
Yes.
Yeah. Actually, brother, there is no any problem. Even you can download this video and upload your YouTube channel, and even I can do it. There is no any copyright claim. There is no any problem. Okay, because you are not downloading from my YouTube channel. If you download from my YouTube channel and upload in your channel, then that will be copyright claim in the future. Okay, there is no any problem.
Yes,
Keep that in mind.
yes,
Got
yes.
it? If you
Uh,
download the video,
but
you can upload, and
I
even
was
I can.
unaware about this way that this happens. I was thinking that if both are uploading that same video, then maybe problem. But you are telling that
No,
there
no,
is
no,
no
no.
problem.
No, brother, listen. If you download from my YouTube channel, okay. If you
Yes.
download this video from my YouTube channel and put that video in your channel, that will be harmful for your channel. You are not downloading this video from my channel. You are downloading from the Skype.
Okay. Thank you for telling me new things, but you will upload and I will not upload this video.
Okay, 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 okay. Okay, don't scare about it. Okay, and even YouTubers will tell you that there is no any problem. There is only one video, and there are news reporters recording, every people recording the same video and uploading their own YouTube channels, but there is no any right claim and strike, because they have their own ways. They are not downloading from one YouTube channel, from one another. They are just recording themselves and just uploading their YouTube channels. They don't have any strike, any copyright claim. This is how. You are not downloading from my YouTube channel. You are just downloading. You can download from the Skype. There is no any issue.
Okay.
Yeah,
Study about it.
yeah. This is how the video uh, works good. And if we don't know, then the copyright claim will be there in our channel, in our videos. So we don't have to download from any other source and put in our channel. Okay.
Yeah. Yes.
I had a YouTube channel. There are much more subscribers, more than 339 subscribers were there, but my YouTube channel is banned
Why?
because I just used background musics in my videos.
Yes, yes. That may be
Yeah,
reason. And
yeah. I just downloaded those
again
videos.
you created another channel.
Yeah, I just downloaded those background music from another channel, and I just attach that music in my video and upload in the channel.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's why my channel banned.
Okay, okay. And also, you send me your link that I will subscribe your channel.
Okay, sure, sure. Even I will
Yeah.
be helpful for you. Okay.
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 Now I think it's the longest conversation to you while I'm
Absolutely.
running from 1 month on Skype. It is the longest conversation, and
Yes.
it's not any boring. It's full of
No, it's not
enjoyment,
work.
uh, full of
Yeah, it's all about enjoyment.
learning.
Yeah, because I was asking you question and even you were asking me. This conversation was going so fruitful and very good. It's a commendable conversation, I say. So thank you so much for being here and contribute your good amount of time up to 48 minutes to me. And you are
Uh,
very humble person and gave me much
saying
time to me.
thank you because we both are learning. You are also
Yeah,
learning. I'm also
yes,
learning.
yeah. So that's what I'm saying. We could help to each other and we could speak something else. Even I let you to speak and even you let me to speak something else and we had a good conversation. That's enough for us. That's what I wanted from some strangers. They must be valuable on me and even I have to value them. The
Yes,
people
yes,
just always search to talk about. Okay.
yes.
Yeah. Okay, brother, it was a nice talk. Take care.
Okay, bye.
Okay, bye.